Hello everyone, this is Jack from LEDYI Lighting Companies. Nice to show you here. As you know, flexible neon strips are more popular in the architecture lighting designs. According to the bending decorations, neon lights normally have two versions. One is bending, top bending, and other one is side bending. However, sometimes you will get some installation problem for bending plate. Some plates need to top bending, and other plate also need to side bending. There's a big problem to install. Don't worry about this problem. Our 3D neon strips can help you to solve these problems. Our 3D neon strips not only can be top bending, but also can be side bending. Now let me show you. You can see that it's very flexible to bend these neon strips to see the uniform light emissions and no light spot. This light is quite soft and comfort your eye. The most important things, you just need one price to buy two types of neon strips. That is super cost effective. Welcome to inquire and order from us. Waiting for your comment and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.